Hi lovely humans, and welcome to a new video. This week I want to make some more DIY fall decor just from things that I already have. I have some fabrics, so I want to make some pillowcases with fall colors, the colors that I love. I dyed some fabric as well, so I can also use that stuff and maybe do a patchwork pillow. I think that would be so cute. So Gilmore Girls coded. I picked up some pillows at my parents' house that no one likes the look of anymore, but you can always make new pillowcases for these types of pillows. And lastly, I want to go and pick up a bouquet, a new fall bouquet. I picked one last time, but it's already pretty dried up, and I would love to find some flowers that are beautiful that can dry beautifully. First things first, I have this pillow which is like this icy blue with white, and it's this fake fur, you know. This was so in a couple of years ago, and my sisters both have a pillow like that and now they don't like it anymore. So I have this beautiful velvet, which also ironically my sisters gifted a couple of years ago for my birthday, and I never used it for anything because it's so beautiful. I just really wanted to use it for something that I can use forever, you know, and it's not that much fabric, but it is beautiful and it's exactly enough for this pillowcase. The easiest pillowcase, and the one that I will make today as well, is the one where you just sew a piece of the fabric inside the pillowcase so you can tuck one side of the pillow and it doesn't always, you know, undo itself and you see the pillow itself. And that's what we're going to make. It's super easy. You need a little bit more fabric, and then you don't need a zipper or anything like that. Perfect. So first things first, I'm going to measure the pillow from one seam, so to say, to the other seam. So this is 53, and that's why we can only use it for the side that has 50 centimeters of width, because we always need a centimeter more of seam allowance. So now I'm going to mark where we basically have the 56 centimeters twice. And then usually the goal would be to have half of this length as the envelope, but I don't because there's not that much fabric. So I need to make this part work, and this part needs to be inside so I can still use these 5 centimeters. Now I could just do the envelope and then sew this together, but I will actually cut it here because it just looks nicer and proper when it does have a seam here as well. Ta-da! We have the beautiful pillow with its new pillowcase. This could even be a little bit smaller, but you know, that's something you can always correct, and right now I'm just happy that this frankly ugly pillow has a beautiful pillowcase. The flowers, it's so beautiful. Make a pillowcase out of this beautiful bright orange fabric that also my sisters gave to me, and I want to make a pillowcase for this round ergonomic pillow which I use so much and I love. I already made a pillowcase for this once, which is one that's on. a bad day. Not just overwhelming. Usually when I have a bad day, I realize it's because I'm so overwhelmed with the amount of stuff I have to do and just the kind of tasks. So today I went to a job application and the application itself was actually good, like the interview was okay. The job is not my dream job. I don't know if I want it yet. It's just that I had to commute 2 hours to this job. Tonight I have a party which I was really excited for and I'm still trying to be excited about. It's a Latino event, so it's going to be a lot of reggaeton and salsa. And I'm really excited. I need to dance. I know as soon as I'm on the dance floor, I will feel differently about it. I will enjoy it. But right now, I just don't feel like I have the energy to go anywhere anymore. So I did some shopping, which is not the best coping mechanism, but it's mainly food. This is the bouquet. It's not that big, but it has different textures, which I really like. Also, I finished my patchwork pillow last night. I didn't film it because my battery went low, but are you ready for this? The back is just orange and I again made an envelope. And the front is patchwork. So most of the stuff is scraps that I had. Some are thrifted fabrics, and then this right here and this is fabric that I painted. Good morning, guys. I just got up. It's like 11:30 a.m. something like that. Yeah, exactly 11:30. Just made myself my tea with my L-glutamine and some lemon, and I'm going to drink that first thing and do a little yoga flow because I woke up kind of tense. The party yesterday was so good. It was a really good perreo and we had a lot of fun. The DJ was really, really good. It was just so good for my soul, for my body. I feel the muscle ache because truly when you perreo down to the floor, and also there was like merengue, there was bachata, there was salsa, there was cumbia, samba, everything. It just trains your whole body. Hi guys, it is Sunday evening. I just got my Indian food that I ordered and I'm watching some Gilmore Girls. The best. This is the best Sunday for me. Best Sunday, truly. Mango lassi, a huge container.
People's hats off. He takes to the sea.
Yeah.
Well, I feel like knocking people's hats off.
So I guess we gotta take to the sea.
Perfect.
Rory Gilmore. She'll be out in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, drive safe. Look, I know this is lame. So what?
I didn't see how big they were. What are they doing?
Well, Joe, I know it.
Okay, a good fall reset includes, of course, an everything shower. I'm going to clean the bathroom now. I really need to clean this room. The bedding is fresh, so I just have to make the bed, but the floor is really dirty and it all just needs a refresh. So I'll start with the bathroom, put on some Gilmore Girls.
For trying to climb in without the confusion. In fact, you don't have to say anything at all.
Emily and Richard, congratulations on your wedding.
Okay guys, I'm back from my little grocery shop and I want to show you what I got. Most of the fruits and vegetables are for a juice. I want to make a health juice, just something that boosts my energy and, you know, keeps me from getting sick. because I feel a bit sick. So I have carrots, spinach. They only had this huge bag. 1 pear, 1 apple. The apple is for the juice. The pear I'll probably eat like that. An avocado, 3 kakis because they're still in season and I love them. 1 orange also for the juice. Ginger, a new tea because I'm almost out of mine. A pomelo. I'm so excited to eat this. Some coconut milk. This is the best coconut drink to make matcha that's still AIP because it has really clean ingredients, but it's super creamy. I got some date sweetening powder. So this is just dates, ginger, and yeah, I'll make a juice and my matcha now. Guys, this is my hair. To be honest, I don't see a big difference. It actually looks a bit darker. I think it's just a bit more red. Or I don't know. It doesn't feel blonde at all. It's not blonde. I mean, it's a toner, so it makes sense. But yeah, I don't see a big difference. It looks a bit nicer up here though, so if I really want to go lighter, I will have to dye my hair. But that's the result with the toner. Hey guys, this is me from my office. I forgot to film an outro, so here it goes. I have so many DIY and interior design videos coming, so if you're interested in any of that, also costume design, fashion design, sewing at home, DIY just in general, then definitely subscribe. And I hope this fall vlog was comforting and cozy for you to watch and it gave you some inspiration. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.